Hello everyone, my name is Harsha Chaudhary. Welcome back to my channel. This is part 4 of Python Crash Course series. In this video, we cover tuples. Tuple is just like an list. It is also an ordered collection of Python objects. The only difference between tuple and list is that tuple are immutable. We cannot modify after it created. So let's get started coding. Now create an tuple. Let's print this tuple. Now to get the type of this tuple, which is as it is an empty tuple, now create an tuple with which have some values. Now print it. Now, as I did tell you before, the tuple tuple is immutable. Let's try to change the value hello to hi. For get the value of index 0, we use a square bracket for indexing. In tuple, we get this. And if we want to change the value hello to hi, let's try to do it. It's give an error because this is not supported. So let's clear it the cell. Now convert and list into tuple. For this, first define a list. Use tuple function. Now print the tuple. We convert list into tuple. Now do some nested tuple. First define a tuple 1, square bracket, put some values. Now declare second tuple. Now make another third tuple by the help of tuple 1 and tuple 2. Now see the tuple. This is nested tuples. We also use tuple function to make a tuple. Now use this tuple function to make a tuple. Here I pass some string. And now see this tuple. Here we get that. You can see that it take each characters of this string. Now get the element at position 0, we get H. And if we want to get the element at the last position, we pass -1. And if we want to slice the tuple from third position till the end, we get that. Before colon, it's for starting position, and after colon is for ending position. We also pass Boolean value inside the tuple like this. Now see the created tuple. Here we get the values. So that's it for this video. Thank you to watch my videos. And if this video helps you, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and make sure to hit the bell icon so you don't miss my any interesting video. Thank you.